Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Microsoft Teams is not launching on your PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. It's very easy to resolve it. Here's what you have to do. Search for Teams in the Windows search bar and click on App Settings in the right pane. Now scroll down. First terminate Teams because it may be running in the background. It is such an application. Click on terminate. Now click on repair to repair it. Okay, it will need a while till you get the stick here. Then click on reset. Okay, let us reset the app. Now try opening Teams and it will open this time actually because you deleted the cache and everything. But if it still gets stuck like it is right now, then the only option that you have is to terminate the process once again and what do we say, restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart your computer. And if everything else fails, then right click on the start button, select settings. Now I'm suggesting a cloud reset, but you need to understand that a cloud reset will also delete all of your data, so you'll have to back up. Now go to system on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then you can select the option for cloud download, but remember it will delete all of your data, so take a backup first. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.